transversal line. Now in your mind you have to start thinking of filling in those angles using the angle facts that you find on parallel lines and transversal lines. So if this angle is x here, it means that this angle also is x degrees. That one. That makes sense?
Yes.
Which angle fact am I using on parallel lines?
Alternate angles.
Yes, alternate angles there. Or you can say z angles. Some they like to say z angles. So those are alternate. Then there is a theorem which talks about tangents and radius. So what is the angle fact or the theorem which talks about a tangent and a radius? Do you recall it? There are actually 2 or 3 of them. So you see, that's where we should be starting, because this is a tangent. So sorry, so that's a radius. Then the tangent is down there. This is a radius. Same applies with that one. It's also a radius. Because the idea, you see, I haven't even looked at what the question wants, but I'm filling in the gaps with the knowledge that I have. In as much as this is part of a parallel line, but this is a tangent. So this angle here between a tangent and the radius is 90 degrees. Also that angle there should be 90 degrees. That makes sense?
Yes, I got those ones.
Right. There is also a theorem which says if tangents are drawn from a circle from the same point, like in this case, these lines must be equal. That makes sense? These two must be equal. ED
Yes,
and
the
EB.
tangents.
Yes, the tangents must be equal. Like ED is equal to EB.
ED and EB.
Yes, those must be equal. Now, when you look at, there's a quadrilateral that we just formed here. Look at EDOB. What type of a quadrilateral is that?
EDOB.
Hey, process quickly, process quickly. It's a quadrilateral, but what type of a quadrilateral is that?
Quadrilateral.
Yes, a four-sided shape. Because it's a four-sided shape. Look at EDOB. It's a kite.
Oh, I see it now.
No, it's a kite. If you look closely, it looks like this. And the line that was drawn there, it's a line of symmetry. It's a line of symmetry. So the fact that that's a line of symmetry, it means these angles are equal there. This angle is also x based on that. And now things are making sense. I'm going to consider triangle EOB. Triangle EOD. Right, considering that triangle EOD, if I add this angle x plus this whole angle that I have there, which is x plus 44, plus the 90 that I have there, I must get 180 degrees. Because that's a triangle. So now I have 2x plus, what is 90 plus 44?
90 plus 44. 134. 134.
Equals 180 there. Then let's move this one the other side. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 134. So 2x is equal to, if you subtract that, you get 46. Then that means I'm dividing both sides by 2. By 2. So the value of x is 23.
23.
That's why it was 4 marks. You don't get 4 marks for free or from nowhere. Yeah. So I hope you can see how far you need to process things. You are linking up the circle
Yes.
theorems. You have parallel lines as well. You know. So
Angle facts.
if the angle facts are not there, then there's nothing that we're going to answer. So let's make sure that we look into circle theorems
Yes.
and also
Thank
just
you.
angle facts on parallel lines,
Angle.
angles on a point, at a point, angles on a straight line, angles in a triangle. Just look at those angle facts. Then once you gather all that information, try to apply it into the practical questions. So I'm glad that you're looking into this, and you can look into more of them. You see that you eventually get somewhere. So let's work on them, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I have to go. I have to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, bye bye.
Bye.